Kirsten here again. So I've been working with the Pixie Plus because, I'm still $125 away from my new sewing machine. Another reason why this machine blows monkey balls is because these are the stitches. They are uneven. They bunch up and loop up. See? And this is with me going slow. This is with me changing the tension on the knob. I cannot, when I complete this, in good faith and good conscience, sell this grocery bag that I'm making to anyone. Not with it like this. It's one of the reasons why I haven't sewn in a while. I cannot sell a product to someone with it looking like shit like this. I cannot. And this is no matter what I do. I have adjusted the knob multiple times. I've gone from 9 to 1, 1 to 9. Nobody wants a product that looks like this. It seriously looks like a child made it and not an adult and a trained seamstress. Tell me seriously. Even though it looks good on the front for the most part, it doesn't look good on the back. And this side will be seen. Do you really want to buy this? Because I sure as fuck don't.